2024 Toyota Camry. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.